Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best FavePay deals promos. So let's dive into it. FavePay has some of the sweetest deal promos, and the best part is they pop up more often than you think. The biggest saving usually comes from boosted cashback event, sometimes reaching 30% or more, especially during weekend, holiday or special Fave sales. Popular spots like Tea Lives, Old Town White Coffee, Sushi King, and Pepper Rich are known for dropping these high volume promos, making everyday treat way cheaper. You will also find great deals on beauty and wellness with places like Brunch House, Strip, Nails House, which also offer promos during busy seasons. And if you love shopping, keep an eye on retailers like Watson's, Focus Point for stackable cashback, and that help you see or save on essentials. If you find this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more smart tips, and comment which FavePay deals you're trying to grab next. And that's it.